As the cleanup from Sunday's storm continues, people are trying to get around all of the snow. 22 News reporter Nick Antonakis joins us live in studio after talking to shovelers in Chicopee.
Julia, everybody has a different story as to how their cleanup from the snow is going, but one constant is that there's so much snow, no one thinks it's going anywhere for a minute. Some back roads in Chicopee were still layered with snow this morning. Cars were plowed in and covered to their roofs with snow and ice, and even some important sidewalks, like the one that goes over the North End Bridge near West Springfield, covered in snow. Many western Massachusetts towns and cities got well over a foot of snow Sunday into Monday, leaving some schools still closed while the cleanup continues. Residents in Chicopee continued their cleanup today, and the once light and fluffy snow has begun to freeze the longer it sits.
It is crazy. It really is. I mean, we haven't had this much snow, I think, in a long time, but this is crazy. We have like a wall of snow that we can't get through just to get our cars out, and it's a lot harder today. Yesterday it was a little bit softer. Now I'm out here and I'm finding like chunks of snow, so it's heavy.
The American Heart Association says to be careful when you're shoveling, as heart attack risk goes up when shoveling heavy amounts of snow. Take short breaks, take your time, and be sure dress warm when you're continuing your cleanup today. Working for you, Nick Antonakis, 22 News.